How to power on or power off the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the side button here, you can press on the side button plus the volume down key. So press on both keys and hold. And this will bring up the power menu. Otherwise, you can swipe down at the top with 2 fingers to open up the full quick settings panel. From here, tap on the settings icon. From here you can tap on the power button. So tap on the power button. Then from the power menu, you can tap on power off. Then tap on power off, and this will turn off your mobile device. To turn it on, all you have to do is press and hold on the power button here. So press and hold on the side button. Now, if after you switch it off and you press and hold on the button and it doesn't work, just wait for a few seconds and then try it again. And that's it. Now it is booting up. And this will take around a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds for the phone to boot up to the home screen. And that's it. That is how you can power on or power off your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.